tell you a simple way to prevent goods from getting wet for loading containers on rainy day. The first, you need prepare a tent and bring the tent to the top of the container truck. Please take care of your safety in the top of container. Untie the ropes of tent. Use this rope to secure both sides of the container, keeping the tent firmly to fix on the container's top. Now it is raining, don't forget to cover a small tent on your goods as well. By above easy steps, and rain won't threaten your goods during loading again.